Hi, I'm Paul Gibson from Jenny Bees. So I'd like to talk to you today about sterilising your hive tool, particularly while you're out in the apiary. Obviously with the advent of COVID and things, people are a lot more aware of keeping their hands clean to prevent transfer of germs, and it's the same with the hive tool. So ideally you want to clean your hive tool between each hive inspection and certainly between each apiary. So there's a couple of methods of doing it depending on what you've got available. One little trick is you've always got a smoker going on your hive inspections, so if you puff this a bit and get it flaming hot, that should generate enough heat, and just simply put your hive tool in like so, and that will clean the majority of the germs off that your hive tool's picked up. So another method you could use, which is what I do sometimes, is I use my gas torch to light my smoker. So there's no reason then why I can't use my gas torch to sterilise my hive tool. And just burn it like that. So that has the added benefit of cleaning the wax and propolis off it, as well as cleaning all the germs or sterilising it as well. Pretty cool way of doing it. The other way of doing it is, for those of you that do your Varroa count using a Varroa wash, then you'll probably carry an alcohol with you. And I do just a small bottle like this, and it's isopropyl alcohol that I use for the Varroa washes. So simply take a bit of this, put it on a rag, and clean your hive tool with it. So that's, I don't know, 97% alcohol, something like that. There's no way any germs are going to survive that. And there you go, clean. Usually when I've finished at any apiary, while I'm travelling between apiaries, I immerse my hive tool in a solution of soda crystals and soap. I keep that in a little tub like this, and when I've done it at the end of the day, just pop my hive tool in there, and that'll also keep it clean. Nice and simple, 4 easy ways of keeping your hive tool clean. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, there's plenty more videos to come up this year. See you next time.